Welcome, online shoppers. Get ready to discover some of the coolest gadgets and devices you can find on Amazon. Perfect for both home use and making a splash at parties. First up, for the traveler on the go, we have the SE3S Smart Riding Electric Suitcase. This lightweight, motorized suitcase can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour and easily switches from riding to pulling. It even has 2 USB charging ports for your electronics. Next, elevate your bedroom with the SRO Smart Side Table. This next-generation nightstand features a wireless charging pad, a thermoelectric cooling drawer to keep beverages fresh, and built-in Bluetooth speakers. Plus, it has ports to charge phones, laptops, and other devices simultaneously for food enthusiasts and businesses. The Evebot food-grade portable print pen is a handheld inkjet printer that lets you smoothly print logos and graphics on product labels using safe, odorless, food-grade ink. Unleash your inner child with the SpyraTwo Water Gun. Each trigger pull delivers a powerful, precise blast of water. Reloading is a breeze. Simply dip the front into a water source and it automatically refills and repressurizes in just 10 seconds. Create a warm, illuminated atmosphere with the Xiaomi Mi Pi desk lamp. This lamp features gesture-sensitive sensors for touch-free control, automatically providing light where you need it. It's built with strong materials and high-quality lamp beads for durability. Experience portable entertainment like never before with the Capsule 3 Laser Miniature Laser Projector. This pocket-sized projector is 50% smaller than comparable devices and easy to set up with its unfoldable tripod, offering an unsurpassed portable viewing experience anywhere. Lessen your cleaning duties with the Chovy Window Cleaner Robot. Its unique double helix cleaning head properly cleans windows of any thickness, even high-rise ones, at a rate of 1 square meter in 4 minutes. It's especially effective on larger windows. The Yoto Wi-Fi Enabled Whiteboard is the first of its kind that draws on its own with a pen. This cutting-edge robotic device balances sleek design with function, allowing you to send drawings to your walls or transform your home into a constantly changing gallery. It's also great for family to-do lists in the kitchen. Express your creativity with the GOVI Neon Light Strip. This flexible, colorful rope light with a strong silicone exterior can be bent into various shapes, giving off a cool, modern atmosphere wherever you place it. Walk quietly with these innovative sound absorption shoes. They feature foam, a soundboard, and aerogel to cushion impact and absorb noise. Plus, they have a system that allows them to pop onto the wearer's feet by simply stepping on the soles. For swimming safety, the Pluto sensor-controlled swimming safety device inflates automatically when it detects problems underwater, keeping your head above water. Worn around your neck, it stays out of the way until needed. The Solstice 12-hour clock offers a calm, meditative sense of time with a single-hour hand, similar to a sundial. 2 dots represent an hour, and 1 dot represents a half hour. Capture high-quality audio with the Saramonic Blink Me B2, a revolutionary 2-person clip-on smart wireless microphone system. It's portable and connects to 3.5mm and USB-C cameras, phones, laptops, and more. Unleash your creative juices with the Devoom Pixu 64 pixel art display. Customize the screen with your preferred pixel art and create images, animations, and scrolling text messages with a wide range of choices. Organize your workspace with the Lamat Magnetic Fixer. This minimalist design hides cords, protects your desk from scratches and spills, and helps you focus on your tasks without distraction. The original candle lantern uses a single 9-hour candle in a safe, efficient shell. Its spring-powered candle tube keeps the flame at a consistent height, perfect for home or outdoor use. These versatile bedside shelves come in 7 stylish designs, including options with cup holders and crossbars for bed frames. They vary in height and size, ideal for storing clothing and other important items. Create an aesthetic mood outdoors with this solar torch. Emitting a soft, vibrant light, these medium-sized blinking solar lights create colorful dancing flames, offering a safer alternative to real flames. Transform your plants into cute, engaging pets with Ivy. It features over 70 distinct animations to portray various moods and tailors plant care to the surrounding environment. For travelers, especially women traveling alone, this Doorstop Alarm provides peace of mind. It creates a wedge to prevent the door from opening from the outside and rings an alarm if an intruder tries to enter. The Bioluminescent Bio-Orb is a glass microaquarium containing bioluminescent plankton. Easy to care for like a houseplant, it produces natural light when gently swirled at night, without batteries or energy. The little speaker delivers a unique sound experience with innovative capabilities, including built-in MagSafe technology for attachment to any magnetic surface, and a Bluetooth LED indicator. Experience a new and safer way to swim with the AI monofin. This bionic fin with a propeller attaches to your feet, propelling you forward when you flex, giving you freedom and clear hands to explore. The Solar Car Air Freshener features a 360-degree revolving design that evenly distributes your chosen aroma throughout your vehicle, adding both style and freshness. The e-meeting capsule records immersive 360-degree video in 4K and captures 360-degree audio with 8 omnidirectional microphones. Its AI tracking and face-sensing technology focus on active speakers, fostering interaction and collaboration. The KeySmart Max is a step up for smart key organizers, offering more than double the range, 150 feet, a 60-day battery life, and a louder location warning when using the Tile app. Create a relaxing environment with this Air Aroma Diffuser. It comes with 7 flame-like colors and a touchable flame that humidifies dry air, providing a relaxing working and living space. This handy heater offers 4 heat levels in single or double-sided heating. The 7,000 milliamp hour rechargeable hand warmer also doubles as a power bank and features a built-in flashlight and digital LED display. The Control Alligator Head Boat has a powerful motor for high speeds in pools, water parks, and lakes. Its remote control has a 150-foot range, mimicking a real alligator for pranking fun. The Ticktime Pomodoro Timer helps with time management with 6 preset countdown times: 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, and 30 minutes, activated by a simple flip. You can also easily modify it for custom countdowns. The Triton Oxygen Mask features 2 branched arms that act as gills, extracting oxygen from water and delivering breathable air directly to your lungs, allowing you to breathe underwater without an air tank. The ring clock is a useful and elegant timepiece with a unique combination of sleek aesthetic design and watch technology, available in 3 styles and 2 color options. The Sphero Bolt is a programmable robot ball for limitless creativity and enjoyment. Drive it, code it, study programming, and share your creations with the community. The Goat Story coffee mug keeps beverages warm for up to 2 hours and is made from environmentally safe materials. It also has a crossbody strap for portability. Thin optics glasses are the world's thinnest, lightest, and most portable reading glasses. They conveniently attach to your phone, so you'll never lose them. The Northern Lights Desk Lamp 2 uses energy-efficient LED lamps, producing 10,000 lumens at up to 18 inches while consuming only 50 watts. It has a 30,000-hour lifespan and adjustable height and angle. The Airhook 2.0 supports cell phones and tablets with an adjustable angle for reclining seats. It has a built-in beverage support and folds down to the size of a wallet for convenient storage. The Mangata Orbit eliminates the need for a spare power bank. Each power bank has a 5,000 milliamp hour capacity, enough to recharge an iPhone 3 times, with a built-in power surge protector. Add tranquility and style to your home with the Alpine Corporation Bubble Wall Fountain. It has remote-controlled, color-changing LED lights, creating immersive bubble illusions with water cascading down a clear panel. The all-new Echo Show 5 boasts a 5.5-inch display for news, weather, music, TV shows, and more. Set alarms and timers with your voice and customize your morning routine. The Razer Huntsman features the revolutionary Razer optomechanical switch for unparalleled speed and a key stabilizer bar for exact and accurate presses. Personalized settings with onboard memory and online storage. The Chacom Electric Height adjustable desk meets current and future demands with sit and stand functionality, full customization, wireless control, and a pop-up power station. Slam Stop is a soft closer mechanism for automobiles, gracefully capturing a slightly closed door and pulling it entirely closed, saving energy and preventing car door damage. Magic 5. Custom-fit swimming goggles are made by measuring the unique shape of your face, preventing goggle marks and discomfort without needing suction to stay leak-proof. These Vision ski goggles with polarized lenses are coated with an anti-fog layer, rapidly absorbing vapor for an all-day fog-free skiing experience, blending low distortion with a wide field of view. The Yoto waterproof shower Bluetooth speaker is shockproof, drop-proof, dust-proof, sand-proof, and waterproof, and it can float. It's ideal for the pool, bathroom, beach, boating, and camping. The PhoneSoap UV Sanitizer cleans and disinfects phone surfaces and other high-touch devices using ultraviolet C rays, all while charging via twin USB and USB-C connections. The I Like Ice car cushion pumps cooled water throughout the seat via water cycle technology, covering your back and hips for relaxation while driving, blending elegantly with any car interior. The anti-drowning bracelet is lightweight and portable, ideal for swimming vacations. Simply pull the rod and the airbag inflates in 1 to 2 seconds, keeping you on the water's surface. The Soothe and Snuggle Otter is a unique plush toy that relaxes babies with its soft belly, mimicking breathing, and includes up to 30 minutes of calming music, sound effects, and gentle lights. It is also suitable for adults with anxiety. The Salubar Hawaii Airjet offers a relaxing massage for up to 6 persons, heating to 104 degrees Fahrenheit with 140 airjet massage bubbles. Simply connect the pump and watch it inflate. Charge Disc is an ultra-lightweight and compact portable storage device with a remarkable 1,000 megabytes per second speed, a 2 terabyte capacity, and a sophisticated active cooling system for unmatched transfer speed and thermal management.